Now here we will learn how to draw a very cute creative thing. So we have folded a paper and now we have drawn this. It's looking so good. Now in the next video we will learn how to draw a puppy with the help of 6621. See, with the help of numbers we have learned how to draw a very cute puppy. These are very important for our daily routine. Now with the help of many dots, we will draw many people. Yeah, so this was the easiest method to draw this crowd. And now I will end the video. Thank you for watching. Now in the next video, we will learn a scenery. Scenery have a very basic things, that is a house, a fencing, some greeneries, because for our environment, greeneries are very necessary, and a sun. I'll go for the coloring part, that is orange. Trees should be of green color. Yes. And now this is my final look of a scenery. See how beautiful it's looking, isn't it?